Hello. In this video, I will show you how to download and install R and RStudio. First, to download R, search Google for cran-r. The cran-r project should pop up. That's cran.r-project.org. On the opening page, you'll see a link, Download R for Mac OS X. On the next page, you can select the latest release. While that's downloading, Google RStudio. Select Download RStudio. Several different versions. We want to download the open source free one. The easiest way to do that is just to scroll down to the bottom and then select Mac OS X, whatever version number, 64-bit. When R is done downloading, we can install it by launching. The default should be fine. You'll have to agree to some things as usual. Installing R shouldn't take too long, but I have a pretty good internet connection and a fairly fast computer, so it might look faster here. Close. Then when RStudio is done downloading, we can install it the same way. This should show up as a attached volume. Drag the RStudio app into the Applications folder, and then open the Applications folder and select RStudio to launch it. It'll verify the app. It might have you change a security setting inside of your system settings folder. That's not too difficult to figure out, but hopefully it just gives you a prompt and you can say open. It's all loaded properly and working. It should look like this. You should never have to load the R program itself directly. Just load RStudio and it will do the work to communicate to R for you. And we can try it with 2+2 and it works. So that's it. That is how you download and install R and RStudio on a Mac.